So, yep, I'm about to go home. Waiting for the bus. The bus was cancelled, and I got a late bus. So I had a bus at 7. It is now at 10 in the night. Just few things I want you guys to be aware of. If you're coming to Goa by flight, train, or by bus like me, just a tip. It's up upon your convenience. आप लोगों को कैसा अच्छा लगता है, but book rent a car or rent a bike. The place where you get down. For example, I got down at Mapsa bus depot, and from here a prepaid taxi, if you see right behind me, yeah. So it will cost you for a 10-kilometer ride like around $500, 600 bucks, because they don't have any meter or anything. They may be having meter, I don't know, but it's best to book it, because I paid 300 rupees per day for a scooty I rented. I got down here, I took a scooter from here. It's as simple as that. So it was very convenient for me just getting down and getting on a bike. So it was 300 rupees for an Activa, okay condition, for 5 days. So it's 1500 rupees I paid. I spent almost 1500 rupees on fuel, 1550 in fact. Just in case, why should I give anyone inconvenience, because वो जो बाइक वाला था वो उसका पर्सनल बाइक था. सो ही वॉज कॉलिंग मी एवरी टाइम एंड सेइंग भैया आप कब आ रहे हो, मुझे यूज़ करना है, मेरे को यूज़ आ रहा है. एंड इट हैड नो फ्यूल, सो इट डजंट लुक नाइस. जस्ट एज अ कर्टेसी, इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग हिम टिप, आई जस्ट filled 50 bucks का पेट्रोल, विच इज़ हार्डली लाइक half a liter, 750 ml in Goa. So that was just a goodwill from my side. And when you're taking a bike, when you're taking a car, when you're taking anything, make sure you cross check. You check if it's not dented, if the paperwork is okay, you have a helmet, you have your seat belts if you're buying a car. Just check and just clarify what time are you going to give it back, because मेरा बस था 7 बजे का, तो मैंने उसको बोल दिया गलती से मैं 5 बजे आपको दे दूँगा वापस. तो वो मेरा गलती था, बिकॉज ही वॉज कॉलिंग मी एट 5 एंड आस्किंग भैया मेरे को गाड़ी वापस चाहिए. So then I told him to wait. Thankfully he waited, so I gave the bike exact at 8. And when you're taking a car or a bike, make sure you confirm the time. Tell them what time is the drop off. In fact, tell them 4 hours or 3 hours before you're going to leave. Tell them कि मैं उतने बजे गाड़ी दूँगा. For example, if I was going at 5, I would have told him that I'll come around 8, 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the night and give you the bike. So if I would have reached early, he would have been happy. Just a kind of a gimmick or a trick. And if you see the guys right behind me, the couple right behind me right here, they booked a Swift, and there were scratches at the back. So they are arguing with the car owner or the person who actually handles that car, saying that it's not our fault, it was before there. So make sure that you check or confirm the time, or tell them what time is as per your convenience. और दूसरी बात, अगर आप दूध सागर जा रहे हैं तो वहाँ पे स्कैम्स होते हैं, जो आज हुआ. When I ended the video, I was going back, we were 40 minutes late. So he told us 90 minutes. First of all, the group I was with, they started arguing कि आपने time नहीं बताया, because when we booked the jeep, there is a ticket counter. You book, give them money, 500 per person, because we was 7 people, so it was 500 per person. So when we reached the destination, then they said that is a time, because we thought we can enjoy the entire day there. Though we will not be spending entire day, what will you do 5 hours or 4 hours in water? 1 घंटा 2 घंटा बहुत होता है. But when we reached there, he said 90 minutes, and no one at the counter, or when we were booking that car, जब लाइन में लगे थे, किसी ने नहीं बोला था कि 90 minutes का है. So make sure you confirm the time. If you're especially going at a hotspot, tourist hotspot, you're booking a ferry to Butterfly Island or Butterfly Beach, they have nodal boats. So make sure that you confirm when are you going to come back, what is the price. Just check. So a person coming first time, they will rip you off. So if you see right behind me, they are still arguing right now about the car being all okay. If I see, so it's very embarrassing. Like, they are a couple and I don't like what's happening with them, but I cannot do, it's business, so I cannot interfere in anyone's business. So wahi hai. Otherwise you can enjoy yourself. Just make sure that there are few things that you have to be aware about. That's about it. Actually, there is nothing else that I can say. These are the only few pros and cons that I could think of to make a solo traveler or a person who's coming first time to Goa aware that check, confirm. Even when I was checking out, I confirmed 10 times ki what is the checkout time. They were not extending my checkout more than 11 because my bus was at 10 in the night and I had to check out 11 in the morning. So that was the only reason why I was on my bike the entire day. So बाकी और कुछ नहीं है. So yeah, that's about it. So guys, holiday over, school start. I'm feeling so sad. I wish I can do this again and again in different countries, places that you haven't seen. But I can assure you the places that I have visited, few places that I have visited, they may not look as attractive as Anjuna or as Baga or the other hotspots like Dudhsagar. But the places I have visited, it's one of the unique places, like the Butterfly Island. People know about it, but it takes a lot of efforts to reach there. Then I went to those two museums which are newly opened, mostly the Navy Museum. Not the Navy, sorry, the other Goa Museum, that's newly opened. So I was lucky enough to record there and know about culture, about the Goan culture, about Indian history also, because it had a little Indian history also behind it. So it's great. And yeah, that's about it. I visited some unknown places which I have been many times there, but even I don't know that those places or those spots actually exist. So signing off, guys. I hope, I really pray that I get an opportunity to, you know, share another vlog or another video on YouTube, and I wish I go to some kind of an adventurous place where I can show you things that which are rare to find online, and I can assure you the places that I have been, at least 2 or 3 of them, it is rare to find on your own. So goodbye, guys. Back to Pune, back to struggling life, back to the 9-hour shift with 1-hour break. Oh, what can we do? So, and I wish you best of luck. I hope your family and friends are safe due to during the COVID situation. So guys, stay safe, keep distance, wear a mask, sanitize your hands. Even though if you think that there are no cases in your city, still precaution is better 1,000 times better than cure. So signing off, guys. I really hate this is my last video, but that's how it's going to be, I guess. So meet you in the next couple of months when I can save enough to make another video like this. And I hope, I wish I get people following me and people subscribing me so they can enjoy the video or the channel like I do making it. So see ya, guys. Good night. Have a nice evening, have a nice day, have a nice morning if you're watching this on the morning, and back to school. Goodbye, guys. See ya. Take care.